How to read WhatsApp messages on another phone. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you with some legit way that works and how to use your own account across devices safely. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can use the official feature, which is link devices. Open up WhatsApp for that. And once we open up WhatsApp, we can look out for the three dot in the top and select the option of settings from there. Once selected settings, you can open it up. Otherwise, look out for the three dot in the top and select the option of link devices. Once it is done, we just need to follow up the process to link a device. You can tap the link a device option and go ahead and you can use a QR code in order to scan it up on the other device. And just go over and you can access your account, your chats on another device as well. And it only works for your own WhatsApp account. You can't secretly access someone else's messages, and primary phone is still the main control devices. And while doing so, make sure you have backed up your chat as well. Look out for the three dot in the top and look out for settings. Within settings, go to the option called storage and data, and you can just go over and tap on backup. Otherwise, look out for chat also. And there also you should be finding an option for chat backup. You can tap on it in order to back up a chat and go ahead and again use the link device option to link it to another device and access up your chats. And that is it, everybody. That is how you do it. For now, we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.